Hello, my name is Jonathan Iacobelli, and me and my team have prepared for you our production planning and optimization tool for Ford Motor Company. Welcome to the Start page, where navigation throughout the tool is outlined in a user-friendly way. If you're ever confused or lost, come back to this page to identify what you need to do next. For a quick overview, I will go through all of the steps. First, we will input historical sales data and costs. We will then forecast demand using two methods. Next, the tool will minimize workforce, inventory, stockout, and materials production costs using the forecasted estimates. Lastly, we will take a look at the summary and sensitivity analysis. Jumping into our input tab right here, we can see where the Ford Manager will input historical sales data by copying and pasting it into the section on the left. Next, they will hit the input button right here, where they will enter mean and standard deviation data for inventory costs, labor costs, material costs, etc. We wanted to leave this up to the discretion of the manager who understands it best. As you can see, we have already inputted the data over on the left here. Additionally, there are two charts. One goes through the historical sales data by period. It's an interactive chart, and the next goes through the unit cost for material cost per unit, inventory and holding costs, etc., where you can visualize these different costs and historical sales data. Once the data has been inputted, we move to our forecasting tab. On the right, we can see two options on this tab: exponential forecasting and regression. Once we hit this forecast button, we will see the model go to work. The exponential smoothing forecast captures more trends in the sales, while the regression forecast is based on monthly coefficients, which captures more seasonality. Lastly, we have displayed the mean average deviation, mean average percent error, and sum of squared errors, or mean squared error, so that you can more accurately, or the Ford Manager can more accurately compare our two forecasts, which is the exponential smoothing forecast and the regression forecast.